Nothing. Not working. Very loose. Fuel. Oh no! Carburetor leaking. There it is. Ooh. Wait. Leaking again. Back in the hole. Nothing happening. Working again. The yellow stuff is from ethanol in the fuel. Cheap owner. Muss ganz oben bleiben. Wow, working again. Cable. Remove wire. Wood screw. All the way inside. Make it warm and smooth. Make hole bigger. Nice. Now check. No leaks. Perfect. Oi. Tons of fuel. Creamy. Look clean. Oh, this one is for idling. Tons of shit inside. Clean it well. Run. Oh, again. Oh yeah. Oh no. Starpilot.